Why quality sleep is important and how to improve it. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss why quality sleep is important and how it affects our health and well-being. Quality sleep is one of the key factors for our health and well-being. However, we often neglect sleep quality and only focus on getting enough sleep duration. In fact, quality sleep not only affects us physically, but also mentally and emotionally. We will learn the difference between sleep quantity and quality, and explain what is meant by quality sleep, including the important stages of sleep for the body. Sleep is not just a necessary rest for the body after a day's activities, but also an important part of our health and well-being. Quality sleep involves several stages or phases known as the sleep cycle. In one sleep cycle, we will experience several different stages of sleep. These stages include light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each of these stages plays an important role in restoring our body and brain. For example, REM sleep is the time when our body is at its deepest rest and our brain repairs damaged cells or strengthens memories. However, sleep not only affects our brain function. Quality sleep has also been shown to have several physical health benefits. Some of these benefits include improving memory, concentration, mood, and immune system function. On the other hand, lack of quality sleep can lead to a number of negative consequences such as fatigue, irritability, and cognitive function impairment. These conditions can disrupt daily productivity and even worsen overall health. Therefore, it is important for us to prioritize quality sleep and ensure that we get enough and adequate sleep every day. We will also discuss the health benefits of quality sleep, as well as the negative consequences that can occur when we lack quality sleep. We will not forget to give practical tips for you to improve your sleep quality and overcome sleep disturbances that often occur. After understanding why quality sleep is so important, now is the time to discuss some practical tips to improve our sleep quality. The first tip is to establish a regular sleep routine. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. By having a regular sleep routine, our body will be more easily adapted and prepared to sleep at the appointed time. The second tip is to avoid stimulants such as caffeine and alcohol, especially before bedtime. Caffeine can make it difficult for us to sleep and affect sleep quality, while alcohol can make us feel sleepy but actually worsen our sleep quality. The third tip is to create a comfortable and quiet sleeping environment. Make sure your bedroom has a comfortable temperature, minimal noise, and dim enough light. You can also use comfortable pillows and blankets to help you feel more relaxed and comfortable while sleeping. The fourth tip is to avoid using gadgets or electronic screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Electronic screens can affect our sleep rhythm and make it difficult for us to fall asleep. It is better to use the time before sleep to do more relaxing activities like reading a book or meditating. The last tip is to exercise regularly. Exercise can help improve our sleep quality and strengthen our immune system. However, make sure to avoid intensive exercise before bedtime, as it can make it difficult for our body to relax. In conclusion, quality sleep is very important for our health and well-being. By understanding the difference between sleep quantity and quality and implementing the practical tips above, we can improve our sleep quality and ultimately improve our overall health and well-being. So those are some practical tips to improve the quality of our sleep. By paying attention to our sleep quality, we can improve our overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video, and stay tuned for our next video.